Mechanical keyboards offer superior performance with faster response times and improved accuracy, giving gamers a competitive edge. The enhanced tactility and feedback of mechanical keystrokes provide a satisfying feel that can boost gamers' confidence. Durability is a key benefit of mechanical keyboards, making them a worthwhile investment for gamers who spend a lot of time at their computers. Customization is a standout feature of mechanical keyboards, offering endless possibilities to personalize the keyboard to individual preferences. Many gamers find mechanical keyboards to be more comfortable to use, reducing fatigue and strain over long gaming sessions. Despite their benefits, mechanical keyboards can be more expensive than membrane keyboards, and the clicky sound they produce may be disruptive to others.